Hi, this is Jim, Property Inspector LLC in the Greater Seattle area, and just a tip for anybody that happens to be a landlord. This is a typical rental property with stuff everywhere, and generally furnaces, the filters are never replaced, which is really, really hard on the furnace and obviously much less efficiency. When we look inside of here, this filter is so clogged, can't possibly be working, probably cutting the airflow and efficiency of the furnace down about 50%. I always recommend to landlords to actually put that into their lease. They'll come by and replace those once a month, or depending on if it's a 4-inch filter, every 3 months. So they also gives them an opportunity of access into the house. So just another great tip from Property Inspector LLC. Give us a call.